Pebbles? What do you think? Good engine? Bad engine? No? Yes? Nah, no, I agree with you. Good engine. Good engine.
This girl's a wonder. She loves me.
Okay, seems like I'm gonna need to take off the front engine covers, which means probably gonna have to take out the crank pulley and have to look at taking out the viscous fan pulley and also this tension over here. So it shouldn't be too bad, but it is my first time working on the 2.7T motor, so it's gonna be interesting, I'm not gonna lie to you. So let me see how I'm gonna get this done.
Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up, cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no more. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
got most of the front of the motor pulled out. The smell that came out of the coolant, you know, where the thermostat went in, was putrid, to say the least. So I think I'm gonna need to really get this block cleaned out, probably get it hot tanked or something, so that all those impurities get removed. The last thing that I'm struggling with is this pulley over here. So I think they should be able to see it. There's 5mm Allen bolts in there, and then there's a 6mm bolt in there. So pull this off, and then I should be able to take out the whole front, or the rest of the front covers, and then water pump can come out, and then I can start pulling off the cams, and yeah, then we should be well on our way. Finally they are out. So I managed to get the cam pulleys off. There we are. Left hand side on the left, right hand side on the right. And once they were taken out, I could pull off those water lines. I didn't realize that the one running on the right hand side of the block was 2-piece, so I managed to just wiggle that apart, and then came right out. So it's a horrible mess. There's a lot of pipes everywhere, a little bit of water here and there. I'm definitely getting rid of that water oil cooler. I'll put something in there like a proper oil cooler with like a sandwich plate and a proper 19 row oil cooler in the front. I just need to take off this pipe that's running across. It's also a water pipe. Once that's out, then I've done what I needed to do for the day. So I'm tired, and at least I've gotten what I wanted to get done. There's the rest of the parts, and there's a very old looking, or very shoddy looking water pipe. Still need to figure out what timing bulb this takes. I know with the 1.8Ts you've got two variants, and that's dependent on the tensioners that go on them. So I'll just do a bit of research and check what this one takes. So yeah, that's all that I'm doing for today, and hopefully I'll post something in the near future.